In this video, I'll show you how to play Roblox on the PS5. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more amazing tips and tricks. Playing Roblox on PS5 offers enhanced graphics and faster performance, making the gaming experience smoother and more immersive. It also allows access to a wide variety of user-generated content and multiplayer options. To begin, open the Roblox homepage on your PS5. If you already have a Roblox account, simply log in using your existing credentials. In case you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. To do so, follow the prompts on the screen to sign up for a new Roblox account. Once you've successfully signed up, enter your username and password to log in. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Roblox homepage, where a wide variety of games will be available for you to choose from. On the homepage, you can explore the list of games that are currently popular or trending. If you have a specific game in mind, you can use the search bar to find it by name. For example, I searched for and started playing Partner Run. The process of selecting and starting a game is incredibly straightforward. It's almost identical to the experience you would have playing Roblox on a PC or laptop, so there's no need to worry about any differences. You can easily navigate through the interface, select the game you want to play, and begin enjoying the immersive experiences that Roblox offers. Whether you're familiar with the platform or new to it, the gameplay process remains simple and user-friendly on the PS5. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.